Morning to all of you. Today we are going to introduce our topic perimeter and area, which is related to class 8. In this topic there are two major terms which were used. First is perimeter and second is area. First we understand the definition of perimeter. Perimeter, measure the length of the border. Next is area, measure the surface or space inside the border. There are some formula which were used in this topic. Is first is triangle. As you are very familiar with the triangle, a closed figure made up of three line segment. First, the formula for perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equals to sum of all sides. Second, formula for area of triangle. Basically, this formula is used for right angle triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height or altitude. Now, second formula for square is the definition of square is a closed figure made up of four line segments. All line segments are equal. First formula for is perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. As you are very well know, in square all the sides are equal. Now the second formula is area of square. Formula is side into side. In another word, we can also say that side is square. Now the third formula for rectangle. First, the formula is perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, or we can say width. Second, area of rectangle, the formula is L into B. We can also say that length into breadth. Now the other formulas for this are for circle. For circle, the formula is for circle, the circumference of formula is equals to 2 pi r, where r is equal to radius, center to the circumference, okay, where pi equals to 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Next is area of circle. Pi r square. Now the next formula is for parallelogram. First is perimeter of parallelogram. This is the symbol for parallelogram is 2 into sum of adjacent sides. Or we can use the formula 2 into a plus b, where a and b are the adjacent sides. Second formula for area of parallelogram equals to base into height or altitude. Now we move to our next formulas. Now the other formulas are for rhombus. First is perimeter of rhombus equals to 4 into side. Now the next formula is area of rhombus equals to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2, or we can also say that 1 upon 2 into one diagonal into another diagonal. In rhombus, two diagonals are unequal. Now the next formula is for trapezium. This is the figure of trapezium. First is perimeter of trapezium. Perimeter of trapezium equals to sum of all sides. Next is area of trapezium equals to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides multiply by height or altitude. Okay, now, these are the formulas which are related to this topic. Now we understand some questions. In this problem, we have to find the perimeter of the figure. Okay. For finding the perimeter of figure, first we have to add all the sides. Now the solution is perimeter of figure A, B, C, D, E equals to sum of all sides. This is an irregular figure because all the sides are unequal. First we have to add AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Now put the values: 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. When you add these numbers, we get 21 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the figure. Now move to our next question. Question number 2 is, find the area of the circle. Whose radius is 7 centimeter. Find the area of circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. The formula for area of circle is area of circle equals to pi r square. Now put the values. Pi की values पर value रखेंगे 22/7 into 7 into 7. Now remove 7 by 7. We get 154 centimeter square. This is the answer. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.